What's going on, guys? Mickle here, and today I have an absolutely insane video for you. The XRP price chart could be days away from an insane breakout. This chart just did something absolutely ridiculous and perfectly validated everything we've been talking about on this channel for the last couple months. This price chart could absolutely erupt in the coming days, and you guys need to stick around for this video to see what I'm talking about. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much in the YouTube algorithm and will help more people like you see this video. Anyway, guys, let's not take our time. Let's jump right into the price chart, and I hope you enjoy the content. Alright guys, well wow, this has been an absolutely insane day. I'm going to make this video quick. I need to show you guys what is happening because this is absolutely wild. I did not expect this chart to blow up so quickly, and we could be on the verge of a massive eruption. This is truly insane, and let me zoom in so you guys can see what we're talking about. Guys, we just closed a candle above the ascending channel that we have been watching for the last couple weeks. Just yesterday, I did a video saying how critical it was that we closed a candle inside of this channel, and said it was very likely that we would close a couple more daily candles in the middle of this channel before we eventually push to the top of this resistance up here. I did not expect the XRP price chart to make such a massive break out of this channel already. This is insanely bullish, and I'm going to show you why, and it actually just blows my mind what is happening here. This candle blowing up out of this ascending channel makes it so we once again are perfectly mirroring what happened back here. Let me zoom in for you just so you guys can see what happens. Look right here. We grinded into this middle, we fell out of the channel, grinded into the middle of it, and then popped up right before the top of the channel met this top resistance bar. If I go back over here, we can see that in this version, we grinded in the middle of the channel, fell out of it, popped back in, and then once again are popping up right above the top of the channel and right below this descending resistance. If we zoom out real quick, and if you guys are new to this channel, you can see that these patterns have been almost completely identical down to the micro moves. It has actually been blowing my mind how similar these patterns are, and we could be on the verge of an insane breakout just like we saw last time. Guys, from my perspective, I think these charts so far have been almost 80 to 90% similar. It is just simple probability that this pattern right here would continue to play out just like this earlier one, which means a massive explosion to the upside. The value of XRP is heavily suppressed right now by a lawsuit. It deserves to be trading well near all-time highs, which would put us at around $3.08. In my opinion, it deserves to be trading way past this, and XRP has a lot of catching up to do. I think the price movement over the next couple days to week is going to be absolutely explosive. So what do we need to do to lock in this, guarantee this will happen, so you guys know what to look for? Let me zoom in real quick. What we want to see is we want to see this daily candle at 8 o'clock close above or on this top resistance line of the channel. If this happens, then we are golden. After that, all we want to see is a couple more candles close daily bodies somewhere in this last tiny little bit of room we have here that ends directly on this Friday. If we can keep candles in this general region, then I expect an insane blast off to the upside for the reason and the fact that that is exactly what happened last time. I think we are about to repeat the same exact thing and have an absolutely huge blow off top to new all-time highs and maybe even past that. We have massive catalysts coming up. This Ripple SEC lawsuit will be coming to an end soon. It will not go on forever. It could end any day now. I have a feeling it will likely end sooner than people expect. And we also have Ripple Swell coming next week. These are massive news events that could cause the price to absolutely go parabolic. But it looks like to me we might not even need either of these, or we might break out beforehand and then the news comes halfway through the run, leaving people who want to buy in on the news struggling to get a position built. Guys, I want to say right now, the people who had the cojones to build positions during this SEC lawsuit got the absolute deal of a lifetime. I know this seems crazy to say, but I was actually extremely happy when the SEC lawsuit dropped because I had so much more time to accumulate my favorite digital asset. This SEC lawsuit has really been a blessing in disguise and has allowed us who actually understand what they're talking about and know the value of XRP to accumulate so much more than we ever would have. We are right on the verge of this massive consolidation being over, and that will be the moment when XRP takes off and all our pain of accumulating this entire region right here while other digital assets broke past their all-time highs will be way worth it. I'll tell you right now, when XRP pumps, it won't pump slowly. It never does. It goes up hundreds and thousands of percents in the blink of an eye, and I think we are on the verge of that happening once again. Those who accumulated XRP during these past couple months with the SEC lawsuit hanging overhead will be absolute legends. People will look back and it will have looked like the most obvious time in the entire world to accumulate XRP. People will call us lucky, but we really will be the smartest people in the crypto community because this chart will go parabolic, no doubt about it. What we are looking for is 3 more days of solid closes right around this top of this channel right here, and then we are looking for a massive candle coming out of here for the ultimate breakout. These charts, like I've said, these two patterns are almost exactly the same. It is insane. I have no idea why this happened, but I spotted this a couple months ago, did not think it was going to play out this similar, and is just perfectly repeating itself on a larger scale. If we take a measurement, then the last time this chart broke out, it was a 219% increase. If we look at where we have to go to our all-time highs, we are looking at a 219% increase. Maybe another coincidence. I don't know how much of this could even be coincidences at this point. This is blowing my mind. If you guys have been following this channel, you know what's going on here. We are on the verge of something insane. I want you guys to all pat yourself on the back. Don't let anyone call you lucky. We've seen this in the entire time. We know what XRP is capable of, and we know we are on the verge of something massive. Guys, our time will come soon. I know the rest of the crypto community has had a head start on us. They like to throw around FUD about XRP. Guys, they'll be buying at all-time highs once this thing explodes, and there is going to be regulatory clarity for XRP, and they're all going to be like, oh, you should buy XRP. It's the only crypto that's technically not a security. Guys, we've been talking about this forever. It's been super obvious, and that's why we are going to get the biggest gains off of this pump. Let's see what happens over the next couple days. This candle today made me more confident than ever. I cannot wait to see where it closes. Hopefully it stays above this top channel. I don't think it matters. I think we're going to the top either way. I'll do a video when it does, and we will have an absolute celebration video for all the pain we've went through over the last couple months. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Little bit of a rant, but it's really firing me up how good this looks. Thank you so much for coming. If you're still here, make sure you're subscribed. We've been calling this the entire time and nailing this pattern. We are not going to stop. I'm going to keep finding digital assets like this, and we are going to be investing in the top tier assets that will redefine the financial system. Guys, thank you so much for coming. But for now, Mickle out.